Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another cool product review. I got to tell you, I fell in love with this company, Litra.com. Now, they sent me one of their Litra Pros, and I got to tell you, my mind was blown. It works with an app. It's got Bluetooth in it. It is crazy, all the stuff they packed into it, and it's an incredible light. What's even nicer is they made a little kind of mini-me version of it called LitraTorch 2.0. And this thing is pretty cool. It's nice and small. It's great, wonderfully handy. We used this at NAB. We actually held it while we shot. It does get a little warm if you run it on the highlight, but we were able to shoot our shot and get it done. This thing is pretty cool, and it features 16 LEDs with 90 plus CRI at 5700 daylight temperature, and it meets the quality premium standards that photographers and videographers look for in continuous lighting. It's waterproof, rugged, compact, 1.5 by 1.5 inches. All aluminum design provides 800 lumens of continuous high-quality light, portable studio lighting that fits in your pocket. Uses with your DSLR, video, smartphone, action cameras, point and shoot cameras, studio cameras, etc. What's nice is you can put a bunch of these together. They make just really, really great lights. They're super bright, and you can get them in a few different things. What I actually like too is, well, it has mounts on the bottom and the back of it where you can mount it to just about anything. It also has magnetics on the back. So if you just want to stick this to like a metal pole, you know, you're in a studio and maybe you don't have the right place to hook something up, you can just stick this up against the metal pole. It'll stick to it. It'll stick to different wall coverings that have aluminum or metal behind them. I was just blown away, and it's pretty cool. Waterproof up to 20 meters or 60 feet, 70-degree ultra wide beam angle. And let's see, what are some other different settings here? 3 different settings that they have, 800, 450, and 100 lumen settings. And of course, it's got a blinking feature on the fourth part. Flicker-free, smooth light pattern with daylight temperatures, lithium-ion rechargeable battery, standard micro USB charge port, and you can use this as cordless or with extended power, intelligent thermal management, simple one-touch button operation, drop-proof. It's got 810 military-grade aluminum body construction, flexible mounting with 2 1/4-inch 20s standard camera mounts, embedded magnet, and a GoPro mount and belt clip. No center hotspot, and it's got a battery life of up to 7 hours on strobe and 4 hours continuous. And it just weighs 3.17 ounces. I gotta tell you, I love this thing. It is awesome for rigs because we don't take around the big rigs anymore. We keep small, and this thing is great for interviews, podcasting, just about everything we can. And then, of course, if you need something a little more powerful, check out the Litra Pro. We love that product as well. Super, super impressed with the products coming out of this company. Be sure to check them out. Go to Litra.com and tell them Chris Voss sent you. Chris Voss tested, Chris Voss approved. We'll see you next time.